Good evening, and welcome to Back to School Night. I'm so glad you're able to join me for this presentation. In the slides that follow, I'll be sharing some information about the courses I teach. You'll get a brief overview of Honors Precalculus, and you'll hear information about assignments and grading, materials students need for class, and information about how to contact me. This school year, I'm teaching Honors Precalculus and Algebra 2. My first period Algebra 2 class is co-taught by Mr. Raven. Here's a quick overview of what students will learn about in Honors Precalculus. Right now, students are learning about the properties of functions. Very important stuff for those that will go on to study calculus next year. Here's some information about how students will be graded. Each week, students will receive grades for one assessment task and one practice task. Assessment tasks include exit tickets, quizzes, and tests. The weekly assessment tasks make up 90% of the student's grade for the marking period. Practice tasks include classwork and homework, both of which are checked for completion. The weekly practice tasks make up 10% of the student's grade. Let's talk about materials. Each day, students should bring a notebook to class for capturing the key ideas that are presented in the lesson. They should also bring a graphing calculator to class each day. The best way to get in touch with me is through email. My email address is james_key@mcpsmd.org. Please feel free to reach out at any time if you have questions or concerns. Lastly, I want to share a quick word about how I approach teaching and learning. Research shows that students don't retain much when only presented with lecture. So every day, I make sure to plan opportunities for students to discuss what they're learning and to practice what they're learning during class. In closing, I hope you and your family are staying well, and I'm looking forward to a great school year.